How to activate your Cash App card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually activate your Cash App card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to activate our Cash App card, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your device. Then once you launch the Cash App on your phone, you will see this type of interface. In order to activate it, you must first make sure you have ordered a Cash App card and that you have already received it. For that, if you just come to the cash card icon over here, you'll be able to see Meet the Cash Card, and you can just select the option called Get Free Cash Card in order to order your card. Now once you've received your card, you'll most likely be able to see your card, which is at the very top of the screen. When you tap on that card, it will ask you to simply enter the name of your card, the last 4 digits of the card, as well as the CVV number of that card and the security code. When you enter all those, your cash card should be automatically activated. And that's all it takes to activate your Cash App card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.